240, 250, and then I got stopped out.
What'd you do? Trip off the? Hit the
I don't
super
know,
button?
man. I don't know. I'm fixing to get stopped at a Wayfair too. I don't want to give anybody. Oh shit, Tesla's coming up. Damn.
That was the big O circuit breaker.
Hell yeah. Kick it.
Hey, Jerry, you're done for the week now?
Shit. Hey, want more? We want some more dollar bills. We're fixing to get in Tesla right here. Tesla's fixing to be short here. Right here. Push down 2, goes inside, down. So as soon as it breaks, man, if it breaks below 603.70, be short. So let's get ready. AMC gonna go again. I'm not be mad. I'm not gonna be mad for 200%. I'm just not gonna do it. AMC. All right, I gotta quit looking at AMC. Tesla.
Well, look at HP.
Mm.
That's another oil stock. This one's going nuts.
Keep on trying to come down. Tesla's gonna be short here, guys. See what happens, market consolidation, the bigger the break, man. Even on a 5-minute, it matters. Even on a 5-minute, it matters. That's a short here, guys. Target still 599. God dang, AMC. Crazy boy. 54 bring 55, 55 bring 56. Site numbers are very important on these smaller tickers. AMC short, Tesla short. I think AMC on mine. Tesla short, AMC 55 bring 56. I'm all out AMC. I might have to turn it off my screen here. Over 6% Tesla. Shit.
Whoever mentioned that MasterCard, it has a pretty big downside.
Yeah, it came across my skin earlier today. It's slowly coming down here. It's got support at 365. Or let's say, yeah, 366 support. Be careful there. AMC, God almighty, man.
It's calling you back, Jerry.
I think I get back in if I get another pullback. Right now, when it crossed back across 54, that would have been an entry right there, add. All right, because look, a hammer is a very powerful candle. Because look, there's your pullback grip. All right, so 2. This one candle is a 1 and a 2. 2 goes inside, 2 up. 57 and 58. Son of a bitch. Tesla up 12%. The video coming in. I tell you, on days like this, man, that's when you load up. 58 incoming. She's hot. 58 brings 59. I tell you, man, when AMC is done, it's gonna.
That's those diamond hands.
Yeah, I'm at AMC.
Oh yeah, and you know, it's some big institution right now buying it.
Mm-hmm. There you go. 58 brings 59. I mean, dude, it moved $3 in 3 seconds. 59 brings 60.
Yeah, that crash is gonna come hard.
It is. I'm gonna be there when it happens. I'm gonna short the hell out of it.
Who's mainly
Yeah,
buying?
so
it?
the flip
It's just
is
short
coming up.
covering. I think it's just short covering on this
Short
thing
covering?
right now.
Really?
Yeah, anybody short, they've got a sale and it just sells in a strength. It's up 14%.
You don't think it's a big institution buying it, squeezing them shorts?
Yeah.
You know it is.
They wouldn't want to hold it,
Oh,
I
yeah.
wouldn't think. It's not worth that crap.
I don't know what's going on with it. $60 brings 61. This thing might go to $100, man. Next target 63.
Hey, but on another note, your Slob, Oxy, and Halliburton are all still doing well too.
Shit. We're killing it today, guys.
Check out Nathan, check out HP. That's a awesome oil stock.
Tilray up 43%. 61 brings 62 AMC. Tesla's still working. Let me show you everything, and I mean everything.
AMC
that's
just
still
halt?
shit. Yeah, stop. Yeah, circuit breaker. All right, let me show you on Tesla right quick. Still working up 16%. Fucking die, Tesla. Look here. Everything's a 2-1 All right. It comes down. It chops sideways here. It comes down again. The 2. Chops sideways. Comes down. It's a 2. It chops sideways for a while. On consolidation, we're gonna break it. Breaks right here on this pivot low down. It's a 2-1-2. Targets right here on the 60. Measured move right here on the 30. I mean, it's just a wash, rinse, and repeat. Up 23% Tesla. What to do? I don't know what to do.
Hey, that EXPR is breaking out. It's that meme stock, but it's 580 heading towards 6. It just broke out.
Shit. Pitch is moving. That just popped up on the screen. Pitch is ripping, guys.
VIX is
PTS
popping
ripping.
and spice and Qs are dropping.
Shit. Oh, retail me pissed. That's crazy. Now, last time I noticed this, the last time game ripped, or AMC, SPY died. The SPY's short right now. Tesla up 23%. All right. I'm probably going to set a target on Tesla. I'll probably do a limit stop on it. Tesla hit target, which is pivot low here, $632. It hit to the damn tick. I'm going to put a stop. I don't want to get back that much on this right here. I'm going to put a stop about 50 cents on here. W, Momo Hammer up. Look, if Tesla can break through pivot low here, $600, she's gone. Let's see what this measure move is here. Down 20% Tesla. Or not down, but it's moving down 20%, still up. I better get stopped out of it. Up 46.43%, Tilray. What a fucking day. I really want Tesla to break that pivot low. Wayfair. Crazy. Stopped out of Tesla. I think I got about 13% out of it.
They're moving everything into VNQ. So look at triple N,
Triple.
NNN. This one's really nice.
Oh shit. Now what I used to do is go to where am I scan? I would go to Sympathies and Finviz and look for other tickers and stuff. I could find something before they found it, right?
Yeah,
I found AMC that way. The last time when game ripped the first day, I found it using
Yeah.
Sympathy.
it looks like they're moving everything into oil and VNQ.
And it's got room to $49. $49. Wayfair still going, was. Wayfair still going. Push up. 2 down, 2 up. Rip. It's up almost $5. Watch AMC. Be careful when AMC comes back online. This thing could drop $10, $20. And you know, to be so expensive, well, it's kind of spready now, but it wasn't. It wasn't a few minutes ago.
Do they mainly halt the stock just to protect those market makers, in order to, because it's
To give them
moving too
time to-
fast and they can't hedge themselves,
Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. They're giving time to
reposition?
fish and hedge all that stuff.
Yeah, it's really, it's crooked.
It is crooked as shit. Yeah, it's very crooked. Yeah, because look, if you went long, here's what they do. Wayfarers are ripping. If you went long, right when they, a lot of times when they haul, they'll tank right there at the open, and you can't get your stuff. You can't get out of it. Look at Wayfarer.
And you know what like happened a few weeks ago when this was going, I was reading, when this stuff's dumping, remember, there's people that are short on that stock, like one guy says,
Oh.
a short covering. So what they're doing, they're selling Apple, Microsoft and all that to
Mhm.
cover their positions.
Exactly, they're getting margin called.
Yeah, and that's why the broad market's taking a hit with all
Mhm.
these, like Rocket and BBY and, all right, so that's what's happening right now.
And look on AMC, they just opened the gate, and look, it's short. It's $7 or $6 or $7 right here, instantly. You see what I'm saying? And look, I'll short the hell out of it. I'm not playing. AMC short right now if you can get in it. AMC is shorter than shit. AMC is short. I am short like AMC. It halted again, man. It's a $12 short right there. Watch when it opens back up, it'll go back down again. Stairs up, elevator down. Wayfair ripping. Damn, we all over to go once a day, aren't we, boys? So when they, it's dirty. It's dirty. AMC in it. Look here. A lot of people right at the top. New retail and stuff. What are they doing? They buy in at the top, man. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. I've been there and done that. They buy at the top. They open it up, and then boom, you're down. You're down 80%. It's dirty. Why you don't chase? That's why you can never be upset by taking profits. Wayfair, I mean, it's extended. It's getting ready for a big pullback. I actually got stopped action minutes ago. I kept my stops real tight. I don't want to give any of it back. All right, we want this thing to flush to $42 here.
EXPR broke 6, like literally in 10 minutes, not even.
That's crazy. What's PES looking like?
All the stupid volumes coming into the sticker now.
So look, anything that's following these meme stocks are gonna do the same thing. All right, so look here, AMC just puked. Look here, PES just puked. See, Wayfair's not running with that group. Wayfair's running on something else. Oh shit, you got trapped in AMC? Oh, I'm sorry, brother.
Hey, Corey, we almost got Oxy to 30, brother.
I didn't have that much left.
Nice job.
Hell yeah, good job, guys. Man, I hate that you got stuck in that. Oh, makes me sick.
Took most of my profit already. It's just I'm giving
Okay.
back whatever. I was in from 50.
Yeah.
So I might lose a little bit on whatever's left over, but won't kill
Sorry,
me.
I got sick when I got stopped out and seen it run up, man. But
Did you get out, Jerry, of your short?
oh no, I'm still in my short. No, I'm still in it. I'm expecting it to die here.
It's so crooked what they do, just crooked.
It is very dirty because it gives the big guys time to reposition. And I know 95% of the time, as soon as it halts, they puke. They puke. As soon as it opens, they just rip it apart. And it's not right. Because it's going up, right? And I understand why people get in it. It's ripping up. Why, you want to get in. And then it halts in a circuit breaker because it's moving so good, and all of a sudden, boom, you're stuck. You can't, you're stuck. It's not. I mean, it's not.
Spy's also puking
Yeah,
as well.
What's that?
Spy.
Spy? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's all these margin calls like I read last time.
I agree with you. ABT's got an increase in volume. Let's see what's going on there.
And they just sell the
Yeah.
most common held stocks, and that's why they're down. That's why Microsoft's down, Apple's down.
Yep, I'm still in my short on IMC.
Hey, Jerry, Overstock is about hitting 91 out of nowhere.
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, whoever mentioned that earlier, man, great job on that. Yeah.
That was
It
Gary.
Yeah, Gary shit. Yeah, because it's bouncing in here. I'm like, okay. I put an order here and I seen it hit twice. It just kept going. So look at this is just a 2-1-2. Push up, chops inside, then it breaks out. A lot of people will take this inside and there's no problem with that. Your target's here. It's safer to take them on the break of the pivot of this compound inside bar. But there's nothing wrong with taking it here as long as it works. And we take Wayfair the same way, Tesla the same way, AMC same way. All the trades are basically that same pattern. It's over and over and over. So on Wayfair this morning, yeah, okay.
Yeah, you know, Jerry, right after they froze AMC,
Mhm.
Tilray, boom, dropped. Rocket dropped.
I'm still up 28.57 Tilray. So
I
see
still
how,
see AMC at 51. Did it drop?
yeah, it just opened.
Oh, okay.
Push it back up. They pull it back up here. I'll give it a little bit of room here, not much though.
Yo,
I mean,
my
look.
EXPR calls from 60 cents to $1 within 15 minutes.
Shit. Yeah, if you're an AMC long still, Mike, I'd probably hang on for a minute. Wayfair's ripping. Of course, you do whatever you want to do. I don't want to tell you what to do. Okay?
I had to stop in there and it got clipped by a penny or two, but
Yeah, Wayfair's going.
That's what's hard being in those crowded trades.
Yeah, you got to fight to get in and out. Wayfair's next target is 332, 335. Damn. Wayfair, a monster. 39. All right, let's check out some Novavax.
Oh,
Look at
Etsy,
Novavax.
$11 for Etsy. Wow. Jerry, did you end up getting in for Etsy?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh no, I never got in it.
Oh.
Novavax, man, I got a little Novavax earlier and I didn't pay attention to it because it's been so shitty. Let me look at the 4 hour. 4 hours, what I was, oh yeah, so look, here's a 4 hour. It's been like it's for a while, so look, Novavax might be doing something now. The reason I ain't been showing Novavax lately, I took it off my screen actually, is because of this chop. See how tight this range is here on the 4 hour? You can't do nothing with that. So now it broke out today, and I had an alert on there, it alerted me. I just didn't go look at it. Right now it's inside 60, so we can see a break. It breaks 165.30. It'll be long. And there's a measure move right here on the 62, and it's right here. It's a big old candle. 151. Damn. That's a $12 move right there. So 174 is target on this thing. It's moved $24. I could kick myself in the ass for not going looking at that. The hell hasn't so much stuff out there.
Hey, Jerry, one thing I just noticed, there's a gap from on Overstock from 92 to roughly 96, or sorry, 95, which means it could fly literally $3 up. Because look what it's doing right now. It just flew to 92 and a half. It's gonna fly to 95, near to 95, because that gap it fell. If it breaks out of resistance of 94.40, sorry, 92.40.
Oh yeah. Man. It's moving. Here, push up. TTO gone. And back during the pandemic, man, I made all kinds of money with this thing. Now here it's straight up. That's it. Okay. But it's always stairs up, elevator down. Yeah, it's beautiful right now. The same thing, we trade this pattern right here all the time, every day. Wayfair is just to the moon. But see the consolidation, which is just inside, we trade the breaks. So it's basically, I mean, it's easy. If your higher time frames look good, literally all you got to do is take it when it breaks this. It's easy, that easy. It's that easy. Even AMC, everything that we trade or I trade is just a pivot break. It's just a 2, 1, 2. See here, AMC breaks out of this pivot, she's gone. Wayfair, really, it's really that easy. Wayfair, inside these pivots, it breaks out, she's gone. NVIDIA. She's inside the pivots here. She breaks out, she's gone. Come back down, retest. She's even gone even more. Come back down, held support on pivot low there. Gone. Trading inside the range right now. It's kind of chopping, right? As soon as it breaks back above 676 here, she's gone. It's over and over and over. It's just, that's all there is to it. You see right here on the 30, really easy. Inside range here. Pushes up, come back around, retest, gone. I mean, that's double confirmation. And if you want to be extra safe, let it break. Don't take it. When it comes back down, retest it, then goes, take it.
Yeah, if you look at Kellogg right now, K, it's breaking right off that pivot on the 30. Hammer.
Piton's going again, guys. God, so many beautiful tickers. Kellogg looks really good. A little extended, but I mean, right now, it doesn't matter. Apparently, it does not matter. Kelly's got a pivot machine gun setting up on the daily. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm still short AMC here. I gave it some room. I've made a little enough money to make it, give it some room today. I'm down more than I like to be on AMC. It's one contract. It's one contract.
Cherry, you might as well just go home.
I'm thinking about it. I say, screw it. I'm going to the house. And I just got in my office and I'm home. Quick commute. Cheap gas. I carpool home. Wayfair. Should have probably got back in Wayfair, but yeah. It is what it is. Wayfair can see 335 today if it wants to. Look, could have re-entered right here on this break. I got stopped out here. AMC still strong, very strong. There's a hammer right there. Did make a lower high. Piton's trying. Piton's trying to be somebody today. Oh, the Piton right here on this 2 down, 2 up. Target was here. It hit first target. 109. Now it's up to 1975. Cheap. These are cheap. So get a smart account, you can make some money on that. UNH chopping sideways. Piton's making higher highs, higher lows, just kind of chopping a little bit. There's in place chopping. So guys, if you have, keep a list of a few tickers that you like, always watch them. Those tickers that you watch need to have a clear pattern. Also, stick to time frames on the monthly, weekly that have A+ setup. Like you want them to be just beautiful, easy to read, clean. You don't want a bunch of wicks everywhere. If you got a bunch of wicks on any chart, stay away from it, avoid it, because you'll get chopped up in it. So if you can make sure that your monthly and weekly charts look really, really good, then it's going to make it easier to trade, because you know it'll look good. It'll make the lower time frames look good. If your monthly, weekly, and your daily look good, then a lot of times the lower time frames will be smooth price action as well. And if you have to kind of decipher what the price is doing, you don't you don't understand what it's doing, you're trying to guess what it's doing, stay away from it. Because there's just too many charts that look really, really good. And even sometimes even the really good charts can get you stopped out, you know? So why not have everything that you can in your favor? First up, eBay. Let's take a look. Novak. All right, Novak's breaking out this consolidation right here. So Novak needs a clear 165.70, and it'd be long. There's a measure move right here, and it's $12 wide. Wayfair's still pushing. All right, here comes AMC. Novak's is, well, let it cross 165.72. This guy, sometimes when I say it's long, I'm going to say this too. When I call something long, it takes me a few seconds to get in it. And before I hit the send, I look back and make sure it's still above, all right, pivot high, or, you know, I'm looking for it to cross above this candle here. All right, which is
Hey, Jerry.
Yeah.
Chewy right now, man, it's ripping. And it bounced right off that 30-minute pivot.
Oh, nice. Yeah, push up, TTO going. Target's going to be 77.17. She gone. Gosh, so many beautiful. 2 down, 2 up weekly. Breaking through pivot low. Beautiful clean chart. Nice and clean. Inside month with a hammer there. So look, this is a 2-bar rev stack with a hammer. Inside, hammer up. Rejected. Made a higher high or a higher low. Now come up. Ooh, AMC. AMC, boys, this might be the end. I want to see $42. Back green now, up 2%.
Another one that started squeezing up is Clover, CLOV.
Here comes Piton, guys. Piton, add long. Folks trying it. A lot of volume in the last 2 candles here on the 5-minute. Be careful, because these can pull back just as fast as they go. We saw that on laser earlier. I like it. It's bouncing off lower support here, which is a really good sign. Made a lower or higher low. Pretty smooth on the daily and the 4 hours. Pretty smooth price action here. Push up, first pull back, clearing that TTO there. Must have some kind of news or something. But just be careful. Speaking of club, let's look at laser right quick. Whenever you see something spike like that, you gotta be quick, but you gotta be careful too. Because especially with options, the IV will increase so quickly that you can be down as soon as you get in. That's not to say Clover won't keep going. It can. It definitely can. All right, look at your laser. Had that big bump up here, trying to recover. So had this big push up, almost $2. Came back down just as quick. Right? Chopped sideways, went lower, found a base. Now it's going to come back up. Laser could be long here, and the target would be an easy 22.90. All right. So you see it here. 2, 1, 2. Reversal. Target being 22.90, and then go on up. So this thing could be pretty good. So it pushed up, bounced off. It didn't touch it, but that is a bounce, and it could keep going. So laser's looking really good too. So laser's long. Target's 22.90. All right, NVIDIA's trying to 212 continuation on 30. Beautiful charts. Laser is long here. If you want to get in early, safer would be 22.90, but you're giving up some money. All right, let's look back at close. Tilray up 50%. Let's take a look at it. I'm just watching my mobile. 50%. I don't know how, but it's up 50%. Unusual. Take it. It's literally making. I think false. It's literally making lower highs, and I'm up. Well, hell, when it was over here, I must have been up 70%. Or something's going on. It's an increase in volume or something. Shit, look at that. Falls at 43. I want to show you Tesla right quick, man. Tesla has got a beautiful 15-minute. Tesla got a beautiful 15-minute chart. Nice and clean. So it just pushes up, goes sideways on the fiber, pushes up, goes sideways on the fiber. Right here, look here. Pivot high, pivot low. It's ranging sideways, right? We take them both ways. It breaks it, we go short. Go short, pulls back, and go short. It chops sideways. So really, it's doing this, but it's doing the same thing as the pivot high and pivot low. The pivot high and the pivot low just make it easy for you to spot it quickly. It chops sideways. We take it when it breaks below here, right here. There you go. Now it's chopping sideways here. Right? So when it goes below this here, we take it short. We're just catching 4 or 5 hours at a time. Is all we're doing. Goes down. And starts trading sideways again. It goes down. And trade sideways again. It's simple. People overcomplicate trading. It's not hard. It is not hard.
Jerry Apple's short right now.
Let's go. Ooh, sure is. Target on it is 124. Kind of choppy though. It's choppy in this mess. Choppy.
Look at PLTR.
Gotta be careful on it. PLT. You get some legs under it. Oh shit. Looks good. Reversing. No, why it's got a lot of range to come back through. Here, two inside month back up. Remember, the reversals always happen in lower time frames first. So if it's going to reverse, if this 2-2 is an actual reversal, you want to see it push up, a pull back, push up. It breaks through pivot higher, comes back down and retest it, and then she goes. First target on PLTR is 2481. There she goes, 25. Here. And if you look right here, here's the same thing. See it on the 5 minute, see it on 30 minute, or the 15 minute. Pivot high, pivot low, it takes and breaks it, and there you go. And you know, here's a pivot here on the 60. So the higher the break, right? So if that's a break on the 60, the bigger the move. If you take a pivot break on the 4 hour, the daily, the bigger the move, the bigger the break. If you take a pivot high break on the weekly or the monthly, it's an even bigger move. So a break on the 60 is going to be bigger than a break on the 5. P-Ton is still going, guys. P-Ton add or long. PLTR looks really good. It does. It looks really, really nice. Will it get to first target? Probably. It probably will. I've had so much fun today. Unbelievable. P-Ton. Market's not good every day, but when it is, you better take full advantage of it. Piton's still pushing here. Pivot machine gun on 60. Quickly start taking these stops out. So it would definitely get to 110.46. Breaking pivot high right now on the 5 minute. We should take it to 110.7. Tesla, I'll look at short minute for 5 times already. As soon as Tesla breaks below 600, I will be shorting it again. And look, what's this over here on the 60? What is that? A pivot low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Been in this range for 6 days. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the break. Piton's still going here. Wayfair pulling back slightly for the next leg up. AMC doji inside. So if this thing decides to break $600 here, we should see a big flush down. Unless it wants to do a false break for it back up, because it could base. It could form a double bottom here and come right back through, because it is in the range. This is a previous. This marks a previous pivot low and a pivot high. So what can happen is this right here. It's based over here before. So this came back through and it chopped it. Made this pivot high and down, chopped sideways, straight down. There's a pullback, down. There's a pullback, down. There's a pullback. So look, it's tested twice. Right? So that tells me, hey, there is support here. Right? It can come down, as Etsy, break through, and then pull right back down and say, oh, that's enough. Let's go back up. Why would it do that? Because it's going to take out the stops over here. It's sitting on this pivot low. So they take that up, they'll spin it right back up. Now that's broadening formation. It's price expansion. What's that? This. Yeah. It can come up, bounce over here, and go right back down.
Hey, what did you ever say about Rocket, RKT?
Let's take a look at it. Wayfair going again. Piton ripping, guys. A minute. Carry up 46.43%. Rocket's breaking out right this second. Wow, Momo hammer. Rocket is long right now. Beautiful. 3-2. See this big red candle here on the weekly? Money. Money. There's no resistance there. Price can quickly push up through there. The reason being, there's a bunch of stop stack there. And look here, there's a big gap there too at 1981. So breaks 1981, it can quickly come up to 22.54. That's where we're going. I'll fix a big stop today and stay short. So yeah, RKT long right now. It took out these highs here. Previous highs, she's gone. Sure. Here. If they're chopping sideways, still making higher highs.
Would you mess with AMC again right now?
Let it cross 61.90. Let it cross 61.90. That's a safer bet because right now it's chopping inside. Yeah. So look, after that big move, after the big move on this thing right here, it pushed up. Now it's chopping in this range. The good thing is it's going. It's making lower highs, but it's making higher lows. It's wedging. So we expect this thing to, let me show you, go up, down, up, it's going back down. We expect it to break out one way or the other. You can take it when it breaks out of the wedge. It's safer to take it when it breaks the top of this high. The reason being is the high comes across, it can break out of this wedge, come up, touch this thing, bounce, and then come right back down. Because there is some resistance there. Not much.
Aren't you ever nervous, Jerry, on AMC when they start halting it and trading that stock that you get trapped?
Oh, yeah, yeah, I want to be out before the stop. Yeah. Yeah, I don't
I
want to
mean,
be.
that's what's
I don't-
bad about trading that stock. I mean, you can get really burnt.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, I don't want to be in it when it's,
Halted, but you don't
when
know.
it's halted at all. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that's just a crowded trade that ultimately,
Yeah, if you're gonna be in it, you better be safe. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Yeah, I took my money on it, and I was upset at first, but hell, if I'm taking money on it at my price, I'm comfortable paying. I'll take it.
Hey, Jerry, take a look at CELH. Just want to know when you can go short on this.
And Corey, if you ever have, somebody asks you something, and if you have something to add to it, brother, please do, because I mean, there's a lot of stuff, and you've been trading.
say that again. Say that again.
Like if somebody asks me something, and you're more than welcome to always add to it or take away. Or if I'm giving somebody bad information, please don't hesitate to tell me. But yeah, because you have so much great information that you can offer too. I mean, it's so please, always you can add to it anytime you want,
Yeah.
my friend.
I wish Daryl would talk more instead of writing. Daryl's awesome.
Mhm. Yeah, there's good. Gary's better than he thinks he is.
I know Gary's good, and Nathan,
Oh yeah,
wow,
Nathan's best. Yeah,
and Nathan's doing that down in Mexico.
I know it. Dang it.
Yeah, I tried. Just remember, I got a regular job, so I got to pop in and out.
Robin Hood shutting AMC down. Wayfair's still going, guys. Huh, that's dirty as hell. Of 'em. They just announced it. Yeah, that's the way they do. They don't want retail making money. Would I swing AMC? I swung it last night. I don't know. I'd have to see between 3:30 and 4 what they're doing with it. Would I possibly swing it? Yeah, I would. Yeah, but I'd have to take a good look at it. If I'm going to swing AMC tonight or before 4, I'll put an alert out in Discord. In the Discord alert channel, I'll send it out. And that way you'll know. It's still strong. You know what I'm saying? It needs a rest. It needs a rest. AMC might pop again here. Wayfair's still going. Peacon's trying to go. But yeah, I would need to see the bigger picture on it. AHT short.
Yesterday you said something on NVIDIA. You said you like stocks. I mean, like on a 5-minute chart, you like it sort of T-Tillon, like every other candle or something. That's what you tell's really strong, right?
AMC just crossed. It's going back up. It might do it.
Yeah, if AMC breaks, you want it to break $62, what you want it to break, then you can go long. Yeah, so when a stock's moving up, it's a better stock if it's taking breaks along the way, right? Because if it's just green after green after green after green, it's extended and it can rip. You know how AMC just ripped back $7?
Right.
That's what happens. It could just gotta take what it is people's taking profit, right? So if they let it run $10 and then they take their profits, they can drop it so quickly. But if
But I
there's
think like
risk along the
NVIDIA
way-
yesterday, you were showing that on the 5-minute, even the one candle had pullbacks, right? You know how it pulled back and
yeah.
then took it out again, and so even one candle, you like it just because it has the pullback in that one candle.
Yeah, the 5-minute, I can see that pullback in one candle. Yeah. So a green 2, like a one green 2, I can see it can start off as an inside bar, down, red. It can start off red and then go green. As soon as it goes green, I'll hit it if it's taking at the high of the previous bar. But yeah, I love the pullbacks. And they can be pullbacks all the way up. You just don't see them. You can see them on the 1-minute chart for sure. But it's healthy. I mean, it's very healthy if it has pullbacks on the way up. It needs them, You really want it to happen. And it's just better for it.
But basically sort of like a catapult, right? Gives it some energy.
It gives the energy, yeah, for the next push up. Yeah. So it's resting. So it's like a breathing thing, It breathes in and it breathes out and it pushes up and then it needs a rest. It's climbing a hill. So as it climbs, it needs a rest, and it climbs like if it just keeps climbing, it could die. You know, just fall on its face and just die. Could it recover and go back up? It could, but I'd rather take, you know, a pullback of 50 cents than one pullback of $6 before it continues higher. Wayfair's not going to stop. Target's 333. And look at this thing. It's just straight up, man.
Yeah, me and Dave used to make some money on Wayfair. The other thing I'd like to say is I think the room is awesome. And if anybody else has anything to add or has questions, do it, because we all appreciate, you know, every bit of it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Gary's good at asking a lot of really good questions.
Laser hit first target. Laser's longer. Add to it here, guys. So laser did hit target. Got in early. Target being 20. Well, it's this high here. So again, we just trade these breaks. Pivot high, pivot low breaks. All trade. Yeah, Nathan, you had some really good stuff too, man. I met you over in Ticker Talker. Yeah.
Yep, that's right. I'm still over there too. I'd support Rob, like to listen to what, you know, he has to say too. So I just think this room is awesome. Everybody contributes. If people have questions, they ask. If they have other information, like that guy earlier today, I mean, that's awesome. All it does is help, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah,
I think
like it.
Gary and Rob has all the answers.
Mm.
I mean, Jerry and Rob has all the answers.
Oh, I agree. Jerry has a great way of looking at it and calls out the entries where Rob doesn't necessarily, you know.
Yeah, he calls the breaks, but you still have to decipher whether you're going to take it or not, you know. Peacon's still pushing. Wayfair's still pushing. AMC's trying to come up. What a damn day, man. What a day.
Nicola breaking a pivot too.
Nice, man. Laser target is 2304, and then she'll come on up.
That was Gary that called out Oxy.
Awesome. Yeah, that's a great one, man. AMC but is getting ready. I'm not gonna get back in AMC. I got stopped out on that short.
I'm watching Marathon too on the oil sector.
Yeah, MRO.
Yep. It's approaching the high of the day.
Is that you, Gary? I mean, Daryl is talking.
No, it's Colin.
Oh, okay, go on. Yeah.
AMC.
XLE's getting ready to take off too.
AMC's long, guys. 63 by 64. It's going to go up probably $10 right here. 64 brings 65. There she go.
Yep, there's
They're
those
taking another
diamond
run.
hands. Hey, and everybody watch Oxy and the Energies. Here they go too.
Yeah, 65 brings 66. Pets, BBBY. They follow. There's leaders and landers.
Oh man, so many good ones. Great
And
call.
that
AMC.
XLE is a nice trade, easy trade.
There
Yeah.
goes Wayfair.
Yeah, and then yeah, it's a super slow if you're just doing XLE, and then if you look up all the names in XLE, you can get faster ones.
AMC brings 67 here.
Jerry, remember you started counting at 42 for AMC, I think.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Shit. I was up almost 250% one time. 67 brings 68. I mean, it's ripping, guys.
7. Stop on quote.
Did you get in, guy? You're talking about if you're gonna get in. Keep a tight stop, my friend. Keep a tight stop. Don't be greedy. They can take it away from you just as fast. Target on this thing, $70. That don't mean they can't rip it out of your hands. They can. So it's best to take profits and get right back in it. So I'm not in AMC, but it was long on this break.
You know, rockets right into a big fat gap on the daily.
Yep. Here's something for not being greedy. Here's what I do. And for Oxy, okay, I'm in Oxy. I have literally put a 7-cent trailing stop and it still hasn't hit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean that's on the slower moving one. Don't get me wrong, AMC might have to do something bigger, but that's just something to think about. That's all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
those
exactly.
best free ones are nice.
Yeah, and then the trail stop too. You'll catch. When I first started trading, I used my mobile, and that's how I just started discovering I was catching these gamma spikes because I would sell out and I look back at my phone. I'd have 20, $30 spike because when you're doing the trail stop, a really tight one, price jumps up real quick and then shoots back. You're catching the top of that ass. AMC 67, bring 68. So yeah, so tight trail stops are money, man. 68 brings 69.
You know, it seems like, Jerry, when it hits those TTOs, like there's a gamma spike on those things when they break it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm out.
Man, 68, we're 69. Shit. Cyril's been making that money. Yeah. Man, that's how we do. Boy, shoot.
Hey Jerry, just out of curiosity, what made you get into laser early before it reached the pivot?
It was strong. It was strong, and plus the overall market's strong. Yeah. So yeah, laser's still going. It needs to hold 2290 if you're in it. But yeah, we got in earlier. You hit pivot here. It's just a strong, and then the market has been strong too. So usually I'd wait on these pivot breaks.
What I was seeing was that all the candles on the 5-minute, they don't have a wick at the bottom. So that gives you a representation of
70 brings 71. Holy shit. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you out, brother. You're right though. No wicks on the bottom is an indication, but you're right. You need to pay attention to wicks, bodies, the size of the candles, all that stuff tells a story. 72, one brings 72, 72 brings 73.
Like 30.
Holy shit.
Jerry.
You're welcome, sir. But yeah, if you're in it, it needs to, if it's taking its bounce off this right here and go higher, it's double confirmation you're gonna go long. Target's gonna be 2305 just shoot finish away.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Man, we are killing it today. What's Wayfair? I'm not in a Wayfair, but I'm still watching it. Wayfair, crazy, boy.
Look at the volume coming on PLTR. Huge.
All right, I'm still in Tilray. Yeah, it was moving down, and I'm still up 39%.
It seems a lot of these junk stocks are the one that's really trading. You look at Apple, low of the day, Microsoft's low of the day.
I don't understand it.
But PLTR, the last couple of days has just been all over the place.
Yeah. And Jerry's favorite stock's not doing well, UNH.
UNH, I know it's been shooting, man.
It's sitting right on the 5-minute pivot.
There goes laser for you, guy, if you're in it. And look, just like a pivot on the 5-minute is important, a pivot on the 60 is just as important.
I have UNH for my health insurance, so I love shorting it and making money just to pay the medical bills. It gives me so much pleasure.
VIX just popped its head up. It broke the previous candle high on the 30.
That's not good, is it? Let's just tell you where all the buyers are at. What a day, boys. What a day. Yeah, and you need to learn how to use that for sure. Hey, if you go to resources and go toward the top, there's some videos by Carmine Risotto or something. It's about 6 or 7. He tells you exactly how to set up AccuTrader, and you got my workspace, so it's set up just like him, right? So he had a good setup, and he showed how to use it. I set my AccuTrader up just like he does. You know, use it. If it works, then you use it. And that's what I did. But if you go and watch them videos, it'll show you exactly how to use it. And it talks about options and stuff like that as well. So it's all the good information there.
Spy looks short right now.
So Tesla trying to come back down. Will AMC pick back up? It probably will.
A little stops up, boys. Stocks up, elevator down.
That's it. Yeah, so AMC breaks above 72.62, be long again. It's extended. I mean, it's just extended. Let's do it. Yes. Look here. Tesla below 600. Sure. Maybe come back down. W is extended. It needs to pull back. All right, guys. I'm probably fixing to call it here. What a damn day, there, I tell you that. It's been a good day. Hang around, there's probably gonna be some really good plays there. Look, Tesla can bounce here and go back through range. I'm gonna draw the lower brown information in this thing here and see what happens. Zoom in. Drop from here.
Hey, Jerry, you made enough for the week. I hope you come back tomorrow, though.
Oh, I'll be back for sure. Yes, sir. I made enough for the month today.
I hope you make it home safely.
Me too. I'm thinking about calling an Uber or something. Yeah, Uber home.
I'll be
Gary's made enough money for the whole month.
Yeah, I made pretty good money today, guys. Well, this morning it was AMC 307 a contract. I didn't have many. I usually don't swing too many, but that's still pretty good right off the bat. So that's my daily go, man. 3 contracts, just about.
This really been a choppy market, so it's been the, sort of the dog stocks working, the other stuffs aren't.
Yeah. Yeah, it's and the thing is, the tickers I watch, man, they have great potential and they have a high range, ATR. So that's very important to me. Is that and they're clean. They have a clear direction too. So
Sure,
usually
you
ones
have a-
look good.
You have a great day.
You too, sir. I appreciate you, Corey. Everybody,
Take care, buddy. Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks,
I'm gonna
Jerry.
leave.
We'll
Well,
let,
I'm gonna
You
leave
guys
the-
have good ones. I'll see
You
you
too,
when you
tomorrow.
go, we'll
if I
let,
can.
we'll let Gary moderate.
Thanks,
There you go.
Jerry.
Thanks, Jerry.
You're welcome. I appreciate you very much.
Thank you all.
I hope everybody made money today. If you didn't make money today and there's a problem, send me a direct message, private message, or you can even ask on here and we'll try to figure it out. I think the most important thing is to stop out quickly. Because if you stop out quickly, well, first of all, start with one contract. You make a lot of money with one contract. But stop, if the trade's wrong, exit immediately. We can always get back in it. And I think that's the most important thing, because if you stop out quickly, then really it only takes one good trade to make up for all the bad ones. But yeah, if you have problems today, send me a message. We'll figure it out.
Jerry, at what point would you consider taking AMC short?
AMC short. Oh man, I was hoping after that. After it got, what's it called? I can't think of the name of it. After it froze.
It halted.
Yeah, after the halt, I was hoping it would flash crash. I wouldn't consider shorting AMC anytime soon. It's too strong. I was hoping after it halted, it would have crashed 10 or 20 bucks. It could have, but right now, I wouldn't even think about taking it short. I mean,
Okay.
if it starts, maybe if it breaks below 60 bucks, I just don't see it. I don't see it going weak anytime soon, to be honest with you. Yeah. I think it'll go up.
And that's
before it
because
goes down.
it's not following like regular price action. It's being pumped up, right?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Yeah, so they
Okay,
bring it down
that's
and then they just buy it right back up. So every time it's shorted down, they buy it right back up, and you can see it. With 15-minute, it shows a good picture of that. So if you look at volume, let me show you. So every time it went up, volume increased. They take profits on it and decreases, and then they just buy it right back up. So when they're buying, when they're shorting or whatever they're doing here, taking their profits, man, it just shoots right back up, and it shoots up a lot each time. Up, down, so on. Inside now, I mean, it would have to have a big. It would have to tank quite a bit for I took it short.
It's not short now, you don't think? Under 60?
I'm scared to short it. You know, I'm scared to take it short. It's so strong. Maybe if it breaks below 58.
Well, we got SPY dropping below 420 now.